Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, Aligning Content, Text Wrapping and Merging Cells. In Excel, cell content can be aligned both vertically and horizontally. Watch how I use the alignment tools to adjust the positioning of the cell content. By default, cell content will be aligned depending on its value, i.e., numbers are right aligned. For titles, I prefer to set the alignments to center and middle. The Wrap Text tool will show all cell content without the need to adjust the width of columns. Watch how I text wrap the customer price column, so all text is visible. Selected cells can be merged together to form one large cell by using the Merge tool. Watch how I use the Merge and Center tool to merge the cell range D3 to K3 into one cell. Use the same tool to unmerge a cell by selecting Unmerge Cells from the drop-down box. The Orientation tool can be used to change the direction of text in selected cells. Sometimes the width of rows will need to be adjusted to display orientated text fully. The same options and more are also available in the Format Cells dialog box. Open the dialog by clicking the small arrow on the alignment toolbar or pressing Ctrl and 1. We looked at the Font tab in the Format Cells dialog box in an earlier tutorial. This time we will look at the Alignment tab and the various options available. We have already used some options, such as the horizontal and vertical alignments. However, another useful function in the Format Cells dialog box is Orientation. Use Orientation to specify the number of degrees in which to rotate selected text. Click OK to confirm any change is made.